Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We always talk about fashion. But today I am going to share something very special about a road trip that we recently had. After 8-9 months of staying at home, finally we went for a road trip to Agra and Ranthambore. Now you will ask me a question whether it was safe to travel during COVID. My answer would be a yes. I can only talk about road trip because you are traveling in your car and you are not coming in contact with other people or with public places. अगर आप कहीं खाने पीने के लिए भी रुक रहे हैं, so you can choose which place you want to go, which is less crowded, and also you can check their hygiene standards. As for the hotels, we stayed in ITC Hotel in Agra and I can vouch for it. They followed all the protocols to the T. All the places and rooms were being thoroughly sanitized. The rooms were kept unoccupied for at least 24 hours before any other guest would check in. There were buffet services in the morning and evening, and their staff with their masks and gloves on were only serving the food and no guests were allowed to touch it. As for the plates and cutleries, they too were fully sanitized. The same was the case in Ranthambore and Jaipur. Even the public places like Taj Mahal or the National Park were less crowded. So to sum it all, I would recommend traveling with your masks on, hands being sanitized at regular intervals, and social distancing, of course. Now let me take you through my journey and also what I wore in the last 6 days. After a day's long journey, it was time to get dressed up at night. So for the dinner date with my family, I wore a maroon top with frilly sleeves and paired it with a black legging. For the accessories, I wore a black choker and completed the look with black kitten heels and side-parted hair. For the second day, to witness the beauty of Taj Mahal, I chose to wear a cotton blue maxi dress from Zara. I especially love the butterfly sleeves on the dress. Since during the daytime the weather was hot, the cotton fabric was perfect. क्योंकि आगरा एक बहुत ही conservative place है, I prefer to wear a long dress. And to give my feet some rest, I wore white flat sandals from Clarks. After bidding goodbye to Agra, we proceeded to Ranthambore, which is 6 hours drive. On our way, there was the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, so we stopped there for a short visit. We took a Tonga ride as no motor vehicles are allowed inside it. To stay comfortable, I wore a black plain t-shirt with a red plaid trousers and sneakers. Sunglasses and hats are a must to visit it, but I forgot to carry my hat. Never mind, the birds were so beautiful कि बाकी सब तो आप भूल ही जाएंगे. Savai Madhopur is the main city and Ranthambore is the national park. It was almost dinner time when we reached there. To get ready for dinner, I wore a black and red polka dot blouse with a black pencil skirt and black kitten heels. For a minimalistic look, I chose not to wear any accessory. My family kept disturbing me and you can see Arna photobombing me even. I completely forgot what I had to say and I had to mute it all. But at the end, everything was worth it. राजस्थान कितना खूबसूरत है ये हम सब जानते हैं और वहाँ के सारे होटल्स भी महलों जैसे ही बने हुए हैं. तो उस दिन के लिए मैंने पहना था एक ट्रेडिशनल फ्लोरल प्रिंटेड ड्रेस फ्रॉम ऋतु कुमार. ये ड्रेस मैंने पहले भी पहना है, बट टू गिव इट अ न्यू लुक दिस टाइम आई टाइड माई हेयर इन अ नीट बन, wore oxidized earrings, and to look like a typical native of that place, wore a bindi. The dress beautifully merged with the scenic beauty of this palace hotel. We took an afternoon trip to the Ranthambore National Park. There are 9 different zones and we took the zone number 6 as tigers were being spotted there. We took an open gypsy ride as against the big canter to be safe due to COVID. Believe me, it was such a difficult terrain and a bumpy ride. Since it was afternoon time, a white cotton shirt kept me cool and comfortable. I wore a snakeskin tank top over it for a layered look because in the evening the temperature drops. I paired it with black jeans and sneakers. Again, sunglasses and hat will give you the desired safari look. Though we couldn't spot the tiger, but seeing all the animals and birds staying together in harmony made up for the loss. Staying in ITC Jaipur was again very comfortable and safe. Lucky to have spotted a peacock in the hotel itself. With no local sightseeing in Jaipur but only shopping, I wore a crochet top with white jeans and again for long walks, white comfortable sandals. There is so much to say and so much to share, but we need to stop somewhere. So see you all next week with Diwali looks. Until then, bye bye, take care, and as I always say, slay in style.